Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Maurya and most welcome you all on my YouTube channel Enjoy with Literature by SM. I hope you all are good and doing well. Here in this lecture today I will discuss the gunpowder plot, which is the most important topic of the Jacobean era or Jacobean age or the age of James I. Yeah, the gunpowder plot is also known to be the Jesuit treason or the gunpowder treason plot. Why this happened, what was the main reason behind it, and when did it happen, and what was the main reasons or how many people were involved in this plot, to success this plot. Before going to the gunpowder plot, I am going to brief something that before going to happen gunpowder plot, there were two main plots, which was the main plot and boy plot, which is not mentioned in book also, but I am going to describe about this plot. So here the gunpowder plot, as you all know, that it happened, it was going to be happen on 5th of November 1605, but it was a failed attempt to kill the King of England, James I. We all know that was the time of the Protestant, the religion. I mean, their peoples. The king was a Protestant also, because when we if we know to the Queen Elizabeth, she was also a Protestant one, When if we discuss Queen Elizabeth, she enthroned to the king on 17 November 1558, because Elizabeth was born on 7 September 1533 and she was the last Tudor dynasty one. She was the daughter of Henry VIII. If we come to know Henry VIII ruled on England from 1509 to 1545, I hope, or 1540. That is not exact one, I don't know. And after, before that, there was the reign of Henry VII, who ruled on England from 1485 to 1509. Clear? 1485 is a very what do I say? There is some important topic also regarding 1485, that on 1485 there was the end of the War of Roses, which was started from 1455 to 1485. It is also known to be the 30 years war, which already I have mentioned in my previous lecture. So, and also on 1485, this is also known to be the publication date of the Utopia, that is pure imaginations. So we will not discuss more on this topic. We are just going to we are just coming on our main topic, which is the gunpowder plot. Before going to discuss the gunpowder plot, here are two main plots. First, main plot, and second, byplot. Both happened in 1603. When we come to know that why this plot organized, who organized this plot, and what was the main reason behind this plot. Its main reason was only religion, because at that time, I mean in the 16th century, as the Jacobean age, when Queen Elizabeth died on 24 March 1603, then there were no any there were no any cousins, his daughter, because Elizabeth was the marriedless. She was unmarried. She has no unmarried, and there was no anyone behind her. That's why, before if we know that there are some important points, that was a time there was a cousin of Elizabeth who was Mary, whose name was Mary. There was a girl, Mary. She was the cousin of Elizabeth. After Elizabeth, she was to be the Queen of England. But in 1587, Mary caught for treason. Yeah, that's why she was not able to be a Queen of England. Yeah, so when there were no anyone who was able to enthrone the King of England, ascend to the throne of England, then at that time, there was the person whose name was Robert Cecil. Robert Cecil. Robert Cecil was the head of the state of England. Yeah, who called James first, who called James VI, because before ruling on England, James first was the James VI of Scotland and Ireland. Yeah. Who was James first? James first was the grandson of Henry VII. Yeah. James first was grandson of Henry VII. Okay. So here, when King James VI of Scotland and Ireland became the King of England he was ascended to the throne on 24 March 1603. Then at that time, there were the more atrocities on Catholicism because King James first want to to remove all the Catholics from from his country, England. Yeah, so this was the big issue for the Catholicism. Catholic people or who were the freest of the Catholics. So the first attempt in 1603 happened, and the priest of the main plot. Why this is known as the main plot? What was the main reason behind it? The main reason behind this main plot was that in 1603, this main plot was led by George Blackwell. George Blackwell. Yeah. George Blackwell was a priest of Catholicism or Catholics. Yeah. George Blackwell, there was a little effort of George Blackwell, but there was difference between the gunpowder plot and these two main plots. In a gunpowder plot, they just try to kill to the King of England James I, while in the main plot and the by-plot, they had no any such intentions to kill James I. They had intentions only that they will kidnap to James I and they will just keep his own matters, and when the king will accept some tolerance for the Catholics, then just they will leave to the king. While this all conspiracy to capture, to kidnap the King James I failed, then just they tried to kill the King James I, which was in the gunpowder treason plot. George Blackwell main purpose was that he want to kidnap James I, and after kidnapping James I, he wants that his cousin Lady Arbella. Lady Arbella. Lady Arbella Stewart. Judge Blackwell wants that when he will kidnap to James first, and he will make his cousin Lady Arbella Stewart as a king of James first. As a king of England. Yeah, but what happened? That his plan just rebelled. Yeah, and this plan failed because Robert Cecil knew how by his detectors, detective knew his plans, and that after that this plan also failed. But after byplot on July 1603, there was two more person. Why this is known as the byplot? I am going to tell a reason behind it. Because this byplot was not for with more people. Yeah, this plot happened only with the help of two main people, who was William Watson and William Clark. William Watson and William Clark. Yeah, byplot happened in July 1603 by two main person, William Watson and William Clark. This is why, because this plot was the minor component of a larger plot. Yeah, बायप्लॉट का रीजन, इसका जो मेन रीजन्स क्या था कि माइनर कंपोनेंट ऑफ अ लार्जर प्लॉट, इसको क्यों कहा गया, इसको माइनर कंपोनेंट ऑफ अ लार्जर प्लॉट कहा गया. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर वाज ओनली टू पर्सन, माइनर पीपल, एंड दे हैड अ big plot, big conspiracy, because they want to kidnap to the King James first. That's why. And one more important point behind all these plots, that this plot, behind this plot, what was the fund? That fund, all the funds were donated or given by the Spanish. Yeah, who was the Philip III. This was funded by Philip III. Yeah. So now let's come to our main topic, which is the gunpowder plot. When we come to gunpowder plot, the gunpowder plot was a failed attempt to kill or to blow up the king of James I, Elizabeth I. Here, when we know the byplot, the byplot's main reason was that they thought that we will kidnap to King James I, and after when he will accept our talks or our promises, whatever they will, yeah, when he will accept, then he will just leave to the King James I. Yeah, and after that, when this all attempt failed, then there were some peoples, there were total 11 peoples involved in gunpowder plot, which was happened in 1605. 5 November 1605. It was to be happened, but it revealed on 4th of November. 4th November. That's why this was also a failed attempt to kill King James I. The main reason behind the gunpowder plot was that they wanted to kill King James I, and after that the daughter of King James I, Elizabeth, who was the daughter of King James I, Elizabeth, they will install as the Catholics King of England. This plan was all given by the Robert Catesby. They planned that when they will kill to King James I, they will make the King of England to the Elizabeth as the Catholics. And after that, King James I had two more sons whose name was, when we come to know King James, he had a daughter name was Elizabeth. And when we come to know the first son name was Henry and second one was Charles first. Yeah. Henry, I don't know much about Henry. And when we come to know Charles I, that after King James I, there was a rule of Charles I from 27 March 1603, 1625, 24 to 30 January 1649. Yeah. So when we come to the about this plot, then the head, yeah, the most important inspiration, yeah, sometimes the question has been asked in competitive exams, that who was the most inspiration for the gunpowder plot, that was Robert Carsby. Yeah. When we come to know the Robert Carsby, then before gunpowder plot in 1601, Robert Carsby was caught to the Essex Rebellion. Robert Carsby was caught as Essex Rebellion by Queen Elizabeth, but Queen Elizabeth didn't kill to Robert Carsby. He just gives the penalty of 400 marks. 400 marks means if he come to the dollar, then it is $6 million. Yeah. When at that time Robert Carsby just sold his all the estates and just departure from England to the Spain. Yeah, where just he make to the Philip III, the king of Spain, and he was just evoked to the Philip III to attack on England and for become the king of England. Yeah. And one more people, that was Guy Fawkes. Guy Fawkes. He was the explosive expert. Explosive expert. Guy Fawkes was the explosive expert. We can know here that also this time there are more people who is expert in explosives. Yeah, that they are taking. I mean, like in bombs, such things. Yeah. So, okay. So I am going to tell you that why this plot revealed. How this plot revealed. There was a one more reasons. But the most reason was that there was a person, Francis Tresham. Francis Tresham was a person who was the member of the gunpowder plot. And Francis Tresham's brother-in-law was the Lord Monteagle of the Parliament, yeah, the House of the Parliament. Yeah, do you know, when if we see this, I mean this plot, and if we just look at the Ramayana, then there is no more difference, because Ramayana was all about the Ravan. Yeah, in killing Ravan, there was a hand of his own brother You all know his name. Yeah. So in same way, there was the brother-in-law of Francis Drake, that was William Parker. William Parker. Yeah. When he know about this regions, for this regions plot, then just he notifies to the King James I, and all this rebelled. Yeah. So this was all the, what was the main reason behind all these plots. The main reason was that at that time there were the religious war, religious things, religious themes, because nobody, the king of England, James I, or he was a Protestant one. That's why he wants that everyone should be Protestant. But there was a Catholics also. They were just opposing to the Protestant. That's why King James I want to remove all the Catholics from the England. That's why this all the phenomena happen. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.